What is good, my guys? Welcome to the April 17th trade recap. There won't be a trade recap tomorrow because it's a bank holiday for the Euros and for the British Pounders. Alright, let's get into it. So, I took a scalp this morning on EUR/USD. I'm never scalping again. It was horrible experience. So, it's basically we came to the fair value gap and broke structure to the downside. Wait, no, that was not the one I took. Well, I think it's definitely on the 5 minute. Well, you know what? It really doesn't matter. So I took a scalp. I didn't know what scalp it was, but say I just took a short based off that. I took a short based off that. This, like, hypothetically, I don't remember where the trade I took was, but because I actually deleted the markings, but just say I took a trade based off that. But and let's say I put my stop right there, went down, and then I got stopped out, and it wasn't good to trade Euro USD today. I mean, yeah, because look at all that news. So I should have just avoided that. But that was just a scalp. But here's the real trade that I took. Why did it get deleted? Oh, is this the scalp? Where the scalp was? Oh, that was just like back testing. Alright. I think it was this. Oh, because we tapped into this fair value gap and had a break of structure to the downside on the 1 minute. I entered, and boom, news came out. I got cooked. So I'm probably not gonna scalp. I was trying to hit a scalp trade off like a fair value gap. Getting retraced, a 5 minute fair value gap getting retraced into. Never doing that again. But here's the real trade I took. As you can see, it's absolutely massive. I hit a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio, and I had a partial take profit right there. See, you got sold. That was the partial. So let's go over it. So this is on GJ. Daily is Daily still bullish. You can see. Wait. Sorry about this. Please don't click off if it's too long. But so wait, what? Am I tripping? We were. Alright, time to go on TikTok. I have some investigating to do. Yo. I'm tripping. Hold on, look. We're going on the recap. We are gonna see. Let me turn my audio on. I swear Daily was Yo. That wick got longer somehow, bro. What? Watch this.
I didn't trade today, but here's a recap of the trade that I would have took if I was trading.
This was 2 days ago.
So we're on British pound,
Japanese yen.
and we can see that Daily is still bullish. And we can see that Daily.
What? Daily's not bullish because that's a move up and the move down. The universe, we just changed universes. We were literally bullish. What? A high is a move up, then a move down. Bro, okay, we have to find. Let's see
This is why I didn't
Euro
trade on
USD.
Euro USD today. So daily was bullish.
Okay, that one's on it. Let's see. We have to.
I messed up on today's trade. So we're on Euro USD.
Hold on. I just gotta.
Here's a recap of the trade I
Took today.
So we were still bullish on the day.
See? This is on GJ. Whoa. It was literally bullish. Bro. Hello? We passed the high. Look, we passed the high. We broke structure to Sorry about this video being long. We literally changed into alternate dimension. Look. There's no... We never went to high. Or this one, we broke structure. I literally just gave evidence, bro. Bro, did it lag because of Trump tariffs? Bro, what the Sigma? So, I guess we were bearish. I'm like, look. Look, okay. So we know that a high, a high is a move up then a move down. So this broke structure to the upside because we passed the high. And why is my marker looking like that? Alright, look. Move up then move down, but we didn't pass the high. But on there, a move up then move down, we passed the high. Why is it like clip? It's so annoying. Why is it like clip to it? Oh, you have to zoom out. Oh, it gets so much. Oh, that's smooth. Okay, I figured out the glitch finally. Alrighty, but what the Sigma? So Daly's bearish.
Here's why I didn't take a trade today. So New York market opened and I was waiting for a sweep of these. Here's trade recap 2. London low was down here. Here's a recap of the trade I took today. So the London highs were over.
Yeah, I follow TikTok because we witnessed a real life glitch.
Here's a recap of the
Oh
trade
yeah, I took today.
So we were
Bullish.
still bullish on the daily. I saw that we had filled
And that boom, that was literally the massive news. That was the massive news that we broke structure on. Yeah, this is follow the TikTok if you please. Follow TikTok, please. Alright, so I guess daily was bearish. That just altered my whole bias. I didn't even notice it because we literally were bullish. Bro, the market literally glitched. We were bullish and now it just glitched to bearish. Like, who's hacking, bro? Alright. Anyway, so we were bearish, I guess. So today was just a daily retracement. I thought it was the big move up. No, we were just at retracement because this is like, what are we even doing on daily? This is so chop. This is chopped chin. What are we doing? How long is this video? Oh, it's already 10 minutes. Hold on. Okay, let's go over it. So Look at this. Let's mark out. Let's mark out. Market open. 7, not PM. 7 a.m. 2 a.m. So apparently daily's bearish now. Like I move up, then move down, and then move up, then move down. We didn't pass the move up, then move down. We didn't pass it. We're not doing it. We're not even trending. We're just consolidating on the daily. But anyway, 4 hour was bearish, so that was in line with daily bias. See, because market opened right here, and we hadn't broke structure, so we're still technically bearish, and we're still technically bearish right now. 1 hour market open. Sorry. This trade was basically luck based, bro. But yeah, so market opened at 7. We were bearish on the 1 hour, so that was in line with daily. And if I saw the daily was bearish, I would have went down to like freaking 5 minute, and then so we were right there. I would have marked out this for value gap, or probably just waited for London liquidity to get swept before I entered. But I didn't do that because I thought bullish was daily bias. So what happened? So there was a 1 hour fair value gap right here, 4 hour equilibrium. Oh, sorry. But I guess this push into equilibrium and fair value gap just started the daily retracement. So it was a good trade, 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. But and yeah, it was a really simple trade. So we tapped into the fair value gap and past equilibrium. We had a fair value gap. We inversed it. We inverted it. Inversed it. So I entered, put my stop below, right there, below that low. So I just drew this trend because like it was doing a perfect uptrend. Trend line. I don't trade trend lines, but it just looks so perfect. Oops. So yeah, and my TP1, it wasn't there. My TP1 was right here, in this. I think this is like a 4 hour order block, or I don't know. Yeah, it's like a 1 hour order block, 4 hour order block. But yeah, I targeted that, and then we just had a massive candle. So that went up here. I partialed 50% of my position, set my stop to break even, and then just let the trade run, and finally closed out up there for a 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. Sorry this video is so long, but pretty good trade.